Alright, in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to find really good, profitable, discounted goods from stores like Burlington, Ross, and Marshalls and flip them on eBay and Amazon for more. So we're going to get right into it. So one great resource that I like to look at before I go to these different stores is Instagram. So on Instagram you can see other people's previous finds, and usually if they're going to make a post about it, the find's pretty good. So just kind of getting right into it, you can search different hashtags on Instagram. So I just went to the Instagram search bar. You can go, right there and search. And then you can search hashtag Burlington finds. And that's what I did here. So you can see all the different finds that were at Burlington. And it's kind of, there you go. You can see like these cleats. So we pull these up. These, if you're not familiar, these are some nice cleats that I believe are going to be about 20 bucks. They actually didn't show the price in this, but usually Burlington will have these for about 20 bucks. And if you look that same model on eBay, they're going to be going from anywhere from like 60 to 150 bucks. So there's a huge gap in the market there, and there's a lot of money to be made, right? So you guys found this page. This guy obviously has a pretty nice find. You can click on his page and see what other finds he has if he's posted about them. So yeah, you can see some other finds this guy's picking up. Some cleats, yep, right? So this kind of gives you an idea of like which finds are good to pick up. Just going through this Instagram community, and this is what I used to do too. I mean, I still do it a little bit, but it's just a really hard model to scale. But if you don't have too much money and you have some transportation or like just one of these stores near you, you can come up on a pretty good amount of money. Like these cleats look pretty insane for only 30 bucks. The retail on those was probably over 100 bucks. Looks like those are like Phantom Visions, right? I can't exactly see the style code, but if you were going to a Ross or a Burlington, you would know, okay, I saw this item on Instagram and somebody posted about it being good. I should probably look it up. And that's the way that I kind of have built this knowledge base over the past few years of like what's good at these stores. I'll go in every now and then, just spend 10 to 15 minutes looking at the shoe racks to see if there's anything good, and then come right out, right? So that's how I've been able to make a consistent $300 to $600 a month just for spending a few minutes of time in these stores, and especially if you're working, like I worked at McDonald's for over 4 years before. I made more money part-time doing this than I ever did working at that job. So it's insane the amount of money you can make just doing this, just going to these stores in your local area. So I would literally just look at some of these pages and see what's good, and I'll show you guys some accounts. And really in this video it's kind of just an in-depth of like what to look out for, how to actually do a little bit of product research before you go to the store, because I know a lot of people they'll go into the Ross or like Burlington, say, wow, it's picked over, there's nothing good. But I assure you, if you look at all this stuff, you're probably gonna find something. Like, it's very rare that I come out one of these stores empty-handed. It does happen, but it's very rare, right? Just because if you know what to look out for, you're gonna find something that's pretty decent at least. Like this person found some Vapor Maxes for 57 bucks. This shoe retail I think is above 180 or 200. So there's definitely a gap in the market there. I'm sure on eBay they go for 100 plus. Yeah, here's some other cleats to look out for, right? So basically these various Instagram pages are kind of the cheat code, right? You can see all these other people's finds. Like this guy's got a cartload of cleats. Usually the cleats are pretty good. And you can see, 4 pairs. These go on eBay for around 60 to 90 bucks. And you can see that tag, they're 20 bucks. It's pretty good. All right, so we're just gonna keep on going. So there's also hashtag Ross finds, and sometimes people just put other things in the hashtag. Like these top ones aren't even Ross. Those are the outlet. So yeah, you can look at all the posts under this hashtag. Let me see. Yeah, hashtag Ross finds. This is a little bit better. Somebody actually found some Supreme Nike socks. That's absolutely insane, and it's kind of crazy just seeing some of the stuff that just pops up at Ross. Some baby Jordan 1s, right? Pretty funny. And then here's some like personal accounts that I've been following for the past few years that have a lot of really great info and finds. Like this person found, it's the real Ross Boss, right? This guy's been making YouTube videos, absolutely amazing channel. If you guys haven't seen his channel, definitely go and check it out. He's perfect if you want to get into these Ross flips, right? I used to watch his channel all the time to figure out what to pick up. So you have some golf cleats here that were only 25 bucks. Yeah, and you can see on eBay, like, look at that, 450 bucks. That's a pretty insane come up. I don't know about you guys, but that's a pretty penny if you find that, right? I feel like that's a pretty decent amount of money. And you see that's not the only find he's ever found, right? There's these other cleats, 200 bucks that he got for, let's see how much he paid. Yeah, $30, right? Absolutely insane. So I would definitely follow this guy. He has a lot of really great info on what to pick up. And you can just kind of scroll back too. Like, just scroll back and see what he's been picking up. Yeah, these were really good. I remember those. There's a lot of really great info on this page. And it's free. Like, there's so much good free info online. Definitely take advantage of it. Yeah, you can see here's some Vans. These are the Vans Gore-Tex. So they're a lot more expensive than just regular Vans. And they have the boa. That's the thing too. If you guys see that it has this boa here, it's like a certain lacing mechanism. They're usually really good. They're really expensive. And like y'all can just scroll back and see what he's been picking up for years. This guy's been super consistent. And then we got the GOAT, the absolute the absolute guy. This is the guy that got me into flipping on Ross, and it's Hustler Hacks. So you can see there's tons of people. So all I did was I went to his page. You can actually see some of his posts. He has it here, right? But if you go to tags, people are tagging him in posts because he actually does the live show. I believe it's every Wednesday, and he'll show other people's finds. So if you go to the tags and then just kind of start looking, like these are some Jordan. I believe these are Jordan 13s for 50 bucks. The retail on that shoe's like 210 bucks or 20 bucks, right? I forget the exact numbers because of inflation, right? It's changed. I've been reselling for a hot minute. I've been buying and selling stuff since 2017. So we've been at this for a hot minute. So the retail on the shoes changed, but you guys get the point. This is a really high-end pair of Jordans that's super discounted that you could totally make money flipping, right? And you see all these others. I cannot believe the Supreme socks. I know some North Face Supreme collab was appearing in some Rosses recently. So that was pretty crazy. And it's just insane to see. It's kind of like a scavenger hunt. It's like sort of like a garage sale, but a little bit different, right? But if you just scroll through here, you can find some pretty cool stuff that people have been picking up. Like, yeah, like these for 40, all black. That's an easy flip right there. Let's just keep on going. The main thing that's good are the cleats, and you guys see that a lot in these videos or these posts is the cleats. You just keep on scrolling. Yeah, these were super good. I specifically remember I went to one of my Rosses and I found 5 pairs of these for 25 bucks, and I sold all of them on eBay for 150 plus. And like at that time I had zero money. My car broke down like every 3 months, and I was working at McDonald's, and it was just like that was a huge come up for me. And I went to one Ross, I found a 5, and then I went to like 3 other Rosses and I found like 3 others. So that really like financially helped me out at that time, was this specific shoe. So this specific golf shoe helped me out a ton. So when I saw it, I'm just like, man, you know. So there's those. So those are pretty good. And then you can see like the Vapor Maxes are pretty good. The 270s, the 98s are pretty good. Some Adidas too. So these are I actually don't know what these are called, but it has like that weird sole right there. Those kind of Adidas are pretty good. Yeah, like the Vapors are always really good. Let me see what else. Oh yeah, these Ultra Boost, really good. And then it has that maybe, yeah. I'm not too sure, but it has that like weird soul. Those are really good. Well, let's see what else people got going on here. Yeah, like you can even see like this is some real stuff that you can do too. Like this person, they $19.99. You see it at Ross, you see the thing, and they got an order for $200. They made $176, so they made like $150, right? This golf bag's insane. I'm just having a blast here. I don't know if the people are enjoying it, but like this is insane. Just kind of looking at this stuff. I know this channel is mostly about Amazon, but like Amazon takes money, and you guys hopefully love making money in other ways. But this is one way that I absolutely love making money, is just going to these discounted stores, because you never know what you're gonna find. This person found this golf bag, nacho flips, right? Let's see. Yeah, $40. If you guys can see that right there, $40. $40. All right. And then on eBay, they're going for above $600 right now. So like you can literally come up just on. Oh yeah, I flipped this before on Amazon. This I've bought at Ross for that price. Flipped on Amazon for about $50. That was pretty good. See what else they got here. I kind of just want to keep on going because there's just such cool stuff. It also helps like following some of these pages because you can see some of the outlet finds. Dude, I cannot believe these got discounted that much. In 2017, this would have been like a $300 shoe. Absolutely insane that these got it discounted. Oh yeah, these are really good. So this is at Sierra Trading Post. Interesting. Sometimes these G-Forgs show up at TJ Maxx. Very rare. But these happen to show up at Sierra Trading Post, and you can see like what Mile High Hustle. Yeah, definitely follow this guy too. He's a really great guy in the community. Like follow every single page that I've showed in this video. I don't even know if I'm allowed to like show other people's Instagram posts like this on a YouTube video. Maybe we'll get taken down. I don't know, but you know, we're here for the people getting it done, right? Follow all the people that are in this video. They're all amazing. That's the thing that I love about this community. Like I play online games like a little bit now. But, like I used to play some online games, and some of the communities were like super toxic. But the reselling community is like the most warm, inviting community I've ever been in. Like we're all here to make money and help each other win, and that's what I love about the reselling community. But not to get on a tangent, but definitely follow this guy, Mile High Hustle. He's been putting out game for so long. Same with like all the people in the comments too. A lot of these guys post about the various finds. But yeah, this guy came up. Let's see, the retail. Let's see, they had it at $149, then dropped to $75, then $49. And then he grabbed all of them. I think he made a post where he said he sold some of them already. Yeah, you can see some of the sold comps here are 125 to 170, and he bought all of those, a literal cart full. And you can see it, so it's not cap, right? A whole cart full of these for 50. So you can come up. I don't know how much you guys make at your current job, but this is a really good side hustle to get into that not too many people are talking about. It's just going to these stores and really being consistent, because I've heard, and I've done it before, where you go into these stores and they don't have anything. If you consistently go, you're gonna find something. Like every time I'm driving, there's Ross nearby, I'll just go in for 5 minutes, come out, and see if there's anything good, right? Any low-hanging fruit. So we'll see what else everybody. Yeah, the Doc Martens can be good. This shoe's a Doc Marten, and it's $35. So yeah, that's a pretty good one. The other two are a little bit more questionable. So yeah, hopefully you guys have got some value out of this video. But if you want more like it, definitely let me know. But I thought that was just kind of fun because we made that previous video where you know, I showed you guys how to do this, but showing you guys like actually what's good, I think will help you all out a lot. So thank you for watching the video. Really appreciate it.